Ayan yung my birthday guys. Oh, birthday celebrant. Ayun, sumasayaw na siya. Diba? Ayun, nahiya siya. Ayan, ito yung ganap guys ng birthday ng ating kapatid na si kapatid Delia. Woohoo! Ayan, na-prepare pa guys. Ayan, hindi pa tapos, no? Ayan, maraming salamat for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Happy Saturday here in Macau. Saturday afternoon. Kami-kami lang guys na isang boarding house. Ayun. Thank you for watching. Ayan, nagkakagulo pa guys na. Nagkakagulo pa. Rice is life. Sorry guys, hindi na tayo nagra-rice. Salamat!